Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, today in this our occasion, we would like to do a podcast. Is about the fun part of learning. But by the way, before we start the podcast, let me introduce myself. My name is Hamzah, and I'm an MC or host. My friend,
And my name is Lana, and I'm the speaker of this podcast.
okay? Yana, the topic is about the fun part of learning.
Okay.
Which one the fun learning?
The fun part about learning, which is many reasons. So, learning has very fun features. You get new knowledge and new experience. Like, for example, in Eden Boarding School Pernikahan, here we learn three main topics, which is dunia, Islamic knowledge,
And English.
English knowledge, and IT knowledge, language, yeah, and English knowledge and dunia knowledge. The fun part that which the reason is we can learn more about our religion, which is Islam, and we can move forward to our deeds, which we can reach to heaven. And English, English is a international language, so we can easily communicate with others around the world. Well, IT, the fun part about is being creative. So in IT, there's many categories like DKV design, and TKJ electric and others, and RPL is software coding, like that. And the experience is very good.
Good. For me it's good. And next for English.
English is, I think I like it, but for me the grammar a bit hard for me to understand, but it's pretty fun to learn in Eden Boarding.
Okay. How you feel at IT lesson?
And IT class in IDN, I think it is the best part of IDN School.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, because in there we can learn many of like robotic and coding. Like in semester 1 we learn about Scratch and Roblox Studio, which is a fun coding software. And now in semester 2 we learn about
Robotic.
yeah, like Microbit, Micode, and TinyBit, and lots of stuff that is still level 1.
Level 1. Yeah. Okay, for me, the fun part of IT lesson, yeah, well, in robotic, because I like to play in the robot.
Yeah. Okay.
And while coding, yeah, I like also because we can add our creative. Yeah. But we have to understanding the coding, and we can make another code. Okay. The second lesson is Dinia.
Dinia.
What you feel? How you feel in the Dinia lesson?
In Dinia class, I feel a bit relaxed because in the Dinia lesson we learn not using the laptop but using the paper to write. The teacher, when the teacher writes on the board, so we can understand the lesson in Dinia. So it's the Dinia is easily understood. And Dinia lesson is by far the most easiest lesson in Eden language school because it's easy to understand because the religion is Islam.
Yeah. Okay. About me, yeah, I feel a bit relaxed because this Islam, yeah, and Islam religion is beautiful, and then and then ini ya, and then while understanding the Dinia lesson is easier and it's easier and we can understand easier. And how you feels in the English lesson?
In English lesson, I feel good because we learn about the international language of our world. So yeah, we can communicate with others. Like when we're working, we can communicate with other
Strangers.
Yeah, with strangers outside our country. Like that. And yeah, English is also a very important language in coding. So yeah, we can understand more of coding because of the English language. And yeah, but English for me, in my opinion, is the hardest lesson in EDM because I'm very hard to understand the grammar and the pronunciation of all the words. And how about you?
Yeah, for me, my opinion, I feels like it's too hard, or you call it the most hardest lesson in EDM.
I agree.
Because, well, understanding grammar and then understanding that is English. Yeah. But English is the important one language because it's international language, in top one. Okay.
So I think for the fun part of learning is IT.
Because
we can all agree with that.
Yeah. We can understanding of all of that.
Yes. And also the fun part is the teacher.
The teacher.
The teacher very good.
Very good.
So the fun part of learning is the teacher interactions with the students and how the students understand the topic of that lesson. So I think that's all
From us,
from us.
thank you for watching and thank you for listening
Our podcast.
I'm
I'm Kelana.
I'm Hamzah.
Assalamualaikum
Warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.